Hello again, everybody. This is Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today we're looking at a brand new floor plan by Grand Design. It's a 2021 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 297QB. L-shaped bunks in the back, solid separation door, queen bed up front, single slide out. Let's get started, take a look. Guys, do me a favor, watch to the end of the video. I'll show you a quick clip with the slide out in so you can see what you do and don't have access to. Also remember, give me a quick thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. That'll give you a notification every time a new camper goes on. Be the first one to see new decors, new options, new floor plans like this one. But make sure you hit that bell. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. Alright, starting on the inside, you see a single slide out with the kitchen, the sofa. Nice large booth dinette. L-shaped top bunk, large bunk on the bottom. Master bedroom up front, that's where we'll start. You got a queen walk-around bed. Storage, charging areas on both sides. Prepped for a TV, overhead storage, wardrobe space. Underneath the bed, you do have shocks that hold up the bed, plenty of storage. Solid door that closes off the master bedroom. We did equip this with a second AC. Nice hanging space. Again, nice deep drawers. Moving into the hallway. Well, before we do that, windows do open on both sides. And you do have blackout shades. Light switch on the wall. Again, another solid door, closes off the bathroom. Plenty of room around the toilet. Nice large shower. Nice feature there. Better on the spills. I know people are, kind of indifferent about the shower curtain or the glass door, but a regular curtain does not protect the water from getting out like this door does. And once you get used to it, it's very nice. Nice countertop space, vanity, plenty of room down low, good spot for a trash can. Speaking of the shower, the 6'5", I am just inside the skylight, but still got room to shower. And if you're looking at your headroom, probably eye level with the shower head. Moving out into the hallway, you got some hanging space, motion sensor lighting. Your convenience area, control your slide, your awning, everything from one location. Tons of countertop space, large stainless steel sink, extended spray head. Tons of storage all the way around. Again, good spot for a trash can. Large Furrion oven, LED lights. The range does have a cover which acts as a splash guard when you're cooking. It does have the exhaust fan that does exhaust outside. And your microwave. Nice pots and pans drawer. Good size refrigerator. A Furrion. 10 cubic foot. Trifold sleeper sofa. I'll show you a setup and breakdown of that. Alright, on the trifold sleeper sofa, pull out those cushions that have the Velcro. Extend from the bottom. You got two adjustable legs. Plenty of storage underneath for your linens and pillows. And then there's your bed. And then for setting it back up, fold those down. Utilize that Velcro. Hold those cushions right in place for you. Easy setup of the trifold sleeper sofa. as well as the booth dinette. Good storage down low. I'll show you a setup of that. Setup and breakdown of the booth dinette. You've got 2 pedestals. You can pop those loose. You can store them underneath. The dinette has little ledges that the table rests on. You've got the choice of either back when it's up, so the fabric or the smooth side. And then for setting it back up, again, for travel, this is probably the best way with it in the down position. But for setting it back up, again, pick what side you want up. You can set those legs back in. And you're all set up, ready to eat. Nice shoe cubby hole when you come in. Nice drawers. Your TV is on a swivel arm, so it does turn out so you can see it from the kitchen, but you are directly across from the sofa. Stereo, CD, AM, FM, DVD player. Nice pantry area, good storage. Again, solid door to close off the bunk area. Bunk area has deep drawers, tons of drawers there. Again, a spot for a TV. L-shaped bunks. So sleeping wise comfortably, you could do 2 on the bottom, 1 up top, but just depends on the size of the kids. But adults could sleep comfortably down low. But the bottom bunk and then the top. Exhaust, lights throughout, air ducts, heat, you got charging areas, receptacles throughout. Brand new 2021 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 297QB. All right, moving to the outside, you see the nice Transcend logo on the front. 297 model right on the tongue. 2 20-pound LP bottles. Spot for 2 batteries. Nice large compartment door, magnetic latches. Again, one nice feature, 2 latches lock in the middle. This gives you a secure connection on both sides. Over time, a lot of people only lock one, and you have a key on the other side. You're going to get warped doors over time. So a latch on either end is going to keep this door straight for a long time. Your convenience area gives you your battery disconnect, your cable satellite hookup, your water hookup. Everything feeds right through the bottom. New to 2021, you've got the Furrion solar charge controller. So that hookup is right here. I'll show you the setup of that and the hookup on the roof. Nice clean pass-through storage with lights. The 297QB has got a dry weight of 7,414 pounds. Black tank flush. Exhaust for your range. We are looking at a 50 amp service. We did equip this with 2 air conditioners. You're also looking at all 4 corner stabilizer jacks. I'll attach a video of operation of those. Very nice, well-made stabilizer jacks. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. All right, your roof, skylight, your wine guard, TV antenna, air conditioners, front and back. There's that solar panel already built in. More skylights and roof vents, and then the top of your slide out. Nice clean top of the roof on the Transcend. You are prepped for a backup camera. Storage area in the back. Again, magnetic latches, very secure. Spare tire mounted on the bumper. Moving around to the campsite, see the outside kitchen, your 2-burner range, nice storage area, electric refrigerator. Everything does fit underneath this large power awning. Outside speakers, LED light. Spray port on this side as well, so you can spray off near the kitchen or spray your steps off. Hook up for a TV outside. Large assist handle, and again a large label for your model number. Nice clean aluminum steps. Friction hinge door, stays exactly where you leave it. Again, screen door. And the other side of your pass-through storage. Your very nice 2021 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 297QB. Hey guys, as promised, slide out in. You got full access to the refrigerator. You can walk front to back in the camper. You can get in the bunks if you need to. You can get into the bathroom and bedroom. So all you really lose is floor space, maybe access to a couple counters, cabinets, but full access to the fridge and the bathroom.